What if you could give someone a $475 a night ocean view stay for just $137? With free welcome drinks, resort credits, and upgrades, all unlocked by one credit card. That's not clickbait. That's the power of the Hilton Aspire American Express card. Hey, jet setters, welcome back to JetSet Sibs, luxury for less. We're three siblings, Michael, Mica, and Veronica, traveling the world in style using credit card points, travel perks, and AI-powered hacks to unlock first-class luxury without paying full price. If you love smart travel hacks, luxury experiences, and a few sibling fails along the way, hit that subscribe button and join our JetSet fam. We gifted this stay to my sister's friend and her boyfriend, but even though we weren't the guests, we still used the Hilton Aspire AmEx to unlock elite check-in perks. The moment they walked in, priority check-in, bottled water, and a warm welcome. It felt like arriving as VIPs without paying VIP prices. The first perk? Complimentary welcome drinks, thanks to Diamond status from the Hilton Aspire AmEx. Imagine checking in and immediately being handed cocktails with an ocean view. That's what we mean by luxury for less. We didn't stop there. We asked the concierge if any additional perks were available. And guess what? They surprised us with a complimentary welcome basket and extra food and beverage credits. We actually learned that trick from ChatGPT. Ask politely, mention your elite status, and you'll be amazed what happens. Now let's talk about the room. A gorgeous ocean view suite, normally $475 per night, booked for just $137 using Hilton points and Aspire credits. That's the magic of stacking rewards. Points, resort credits, and diamond perks, all from a single card. Beyond the room, every inch of this resort screams coastal luxury. Beach cruisers, oceanfront pool, spa access, all complimentary for guests. And yes, that extra $75 credit, all part of the Hilton Aspire's annual resort benefit. Here's why this card is the ultimate luxury for less hack. Automatic Hilton Diamond status, top-tier elite benefits, free weekend night reward every year, $400 in Hilton resort credits annually, $200 twice a year, $250 in airline fee credits, room upgrades, including suites when available, 14 times Hilton points on hotel stays, priority pass lounge access, 15 visits, and the option to book stays with Hilton Honors points, meaning this $475 room could have been free. And that's not all. You're earning while you spend. Every swipe is stacking future free stays, flights, and upgrades. Here's the secret. It's not about spending more. It's about spending strategically. The Hilton Aspire basically recycles your spending into luxury moments. Also, subtract the $200 semi-annual Hilton Resort credit from the hotel room. And always try to book rooms off-season. Instead of paying cash for upgrades or dining, you're using built-in credits, status perks, and reward points to create your own VIP experience. So the next time you hear luxury travel, remember, it's not about being rich. It's about being reward rich. That's luxury unlocked, the JetSet Sibs way. Hit subscribe, drop a like if you try this hack, and tell us in the comments. Which resort should we aspire to next?